Today is an exciting day because I get to announce the completion of something we've been working on for over a year. Today, we're announcing the final step of our scanning process, a brand new way for any size dealership to effortlessly store printed documents. And now it's all part of the integrated document management platform we call SharePoint for Dealers. But before we get into specifics, let me explain how we got here. After 20 years of working directly with dealers like you, I took a break. I used that time to focus on the challenge that had eluded me, specifically an alternative method to manage dealership documents, reports, and virtually every digital asset that exists in a dealership. A standalone method that was completely independent regardless of the DMS or CRM they used. To do this, I had to forget everything I knew about the way it had been done and think how things could be done. So, starting with a blank slate, I wrote down the things that dealership employees from all over the country had shared with me. One that showed up on everyone's list was easy to learn and use. And all the news of ransomware and bad actors, safe and secure, hit most lists. Dealer Ready required special attention that meant a couple of things: a focus on the way dealerships would use it, as well as something that didn't require a committee to build. And flexibility may have been the most underrated answer, yet proved to be the most common requirement. So these became the 4 pillars. But after these requirements, there were granular items that were based on an employee's role or perception of a gap. This is where frustration sometimes met organization head on. I need things that a dealership uses. More than scanned documents and month-end reports. I want to save important things to me. Along with flexibility came the need for customization. Even within the same group, I found employees did things different from store to store. As we added items that could be stored, there was also a need for access and permission controls. The next request became the most important. Not only was there a request to make search easier, but some wanted to have the information laid out right in front of them. So when you think about it, tech bulletins, OEM campaigns, team reports, and important announcement, it makes a lot of sense. Making it easy to share information with the staff was also a priority, but improved sharing didn't necessarily mean employees would read it. So it was important to not only make an easy way to share the information, but it's also crucial to offer a way to monitor who actually read it. Some needs were less clear. Accessible, for example, can mean different things to different people. To some, it meant work anywhere, especially when you consider the last year. To others, it meant being able to use their mobile device. And then there were departments like sales and service that wanted to be able to access their information from a touchscreen tablet. So that's how SharePoint for Dealers started. We have built out a platform that includes over 20 ready-to-use SharePoint team sites built specifically for dealers. To simplify things, we've created 3 packages. These packages can be assembled in combinations based on dealership needs and modified as your use grows. So let's talk a little bit about the scanner solution. This week, we completed the testing phase of the Xerox Documate series of scanners. These incredible devices can not only scan, but they can accurately name each document, with or without barcodes. The solution includes true hybrid document storage. This means you can store a complete backup copy of your scanned business documents in an alternate location. When matched with our workflow automation, we can seamlessly move the working set of the documents up to our SharePoint for Dealers Cloud libraries. While these 3 features typically would be enough to meet most dealers' need, one final feature makes the entire process stand out above the rest. The entire document is searchable. This eliminates the need for manual indexing and for DMS integration. In 3 clicks, you can turn a stack of paper documents into archive-quality PDFs that take advantage of SharePoint's powerful search engine. So now you can see why we're so excited about our announcement today. Thank you. Fill out the form below to receive more information.